Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really useful skill in Power BI, how to combine two separate reports into a single unified dashboard. Whether you're bringing together sales and finance data, or maybe you want to build a quick executive summary from different sources, this simple approach will streamline your workflow and make your insights clearer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase visuals from multiple reports together in one dashboard, making it easier for you and your team to analyze and share your data story. Alright, let's dive in. The quickest and most straightforward way to do this is to use Power BI Service, which is the online platform where you can publish, share, and collaborate on your Power BI content. So first things first, you'll want to publish both of your reports, let's call them Report A and Report B, into the same workspace in Power BI Service. The workspace acts like a shared folder or a project area where all your related dashboards and reports are stored for collaboration. If you haven't published your reports yet, don't worry. Just open your report in Power BI Desktop, hit the Publish button, and choose the correct workspace. Make sure both reports land in the same workspace, as this is key for combining them easily. Once both reports are published, the next step is to open Report A within the Power BI service. Here, take a look at the visuals you want to pull into your dashboard. Maybe it's a sales trend chart, a profit margin graphic, or really any visual element you think belongs in your final dashboard. Now hover over the visual and you'll see a little pin icon. It looks like a push pin. Click on Pin Visual. Power BI will ask you if you want to pin it to an existing dashboard or create a new one. For this example, let's create a new dashboard and give it a memorable name. This will be the place where all our selected visuals will end up. Take a moment to check that your chosen visual appears on the dashboard. This step can take just a few seconds, but it's important to confirm so you don't miss anything later. Next, switch over to Report B, which is also in the same workspace. Repeat the process, scan through the visuals, choose the ones you want to add to your dashboard, and pin them using the same Pin Visual button. But this time, when Power BI asks where you want to pin, select the dashboard you just created with Report A's visuals. Don't worry if you're working with different kinds of data. The dashboard is flexible, and you can mix and match visuals to tell a complete story. After you've pinned your selections from both reports, head to your dashboard. You'll see it's now a powerful overview containing the best insights from both reports all in one place. This method is not only quick and easy, it's also really efficient for presenting related data sets to decision makers, or just for getting that bigger picture across different business areas. And remember, you can rearrange your visuals within the dashboard, resize them, and make the layout your own. If you're just starting out, don't stress if this takes you a few minutes to get used to. The pinning process is very intuitive once you try it a couple of times. And if you're wondering, yes, this option is hands down the easiest way to combine reports into a single dashboard for quick viewing and sharing, without needing any complex merging or data modeling. Alright, that's the whole process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tricks, just drop a comment below. I'll keep an eye out and try to answer as many as I can. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.